going to be doing a bit of a little hair journey video. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of turning my hair from dark with a bit of highlights to light to pink, and I'm really excited, but I'm also nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I have been through this before and I have been through multiple mishaps in the past. But I did use like pharmacy hair dyes, which work kind of, but it just didn't do it for me. I've also had a lot of trouble with salons not getting my hair right, so I thought this time I would do a bit of research and, you know, actually choose the products myself. I went to Ricky's and I spoke to some of the hair specialists there who all seemed pretty knowledgeable in what they were saying, and I really feel like I understand now. So I'm gonna be heading out to a friend's house though, because she's gonna be applying the products on my hair herself. I'm obviously also gonna run you guys through all the products that I'm gonna be using and the process and everything, so you guys could probably try this out at home with a friend or somebody that you can trust with your hair. But I'm so excited though, you guys. I've been wanting to do this since like the summertime, and I've just been kind of putting it off because it's obviously like not a priority of mine. But you know, new year, new hair. But anyway, right now I have to head out to catch a bus because my friend lives all the way in Chelsea, Manhattan, and I live in Jersey.
So we're using one part of the powder and 2 parts of the developer 30.
Okay. Natasha's about to separate my hair into sections.
First off, you'll need to remove all your jewelry.
Oh, right. Oh my gosh.
So your earrings.
I don't have any earrings.
I'm not a professional hairdresser. I did the training like 19 years ago, but I do remember things. And from what I know, that you're supposed to start your you're supposed to split it into 4 parts, and then we'll start dyeing the hair in the back, from the back of your head.
So we're gonna do 30 down from the roots, and then we're gonna do the roots last because of the heat of the head.
And also because the hair is virgin.
Oh yeah, because the hair is virgin, and virgin hair takes faster. So one time my grandma and I did it, and she turned my hair orange. The next day I went to class and I covered my head with a hoodie because I was terrified. So do you cut your husband's hair? Would he let you?
You would never trust me. I would never trust my hands. This is the thing with men. I mean, I did really good on the exam, but it wasn't fun, and I don't think I was really good at it. I mean, I have to admit this.
You know, one time I actually filmed a video on my channel where I cut my hair, and it was the worst idea I've ever had. So the back's starting to process now. I don't know what it looks like. I'm trying to get it for you guys. There it is. Don't know if that shows up on camera right now, but Natasha's back there making more mix of some bleach that I need to add into the rest of my head. Wow.
I did this.
It looks so light now.
This was the first part. It's still, I mean, kind of brassy. Like I see this part here.
But I mean, it's fine. That's why I got the toner.
I'm pretty excited for the result. I've been working for, I think 25 minutes, maybe more, 20, 30. Yeah, like I would say 5 more minutes. What time is it now?
It's 3:20.
So 25. Make sure that you tell me 25.
Okay.
And we wash this off.
we're about to get into the roots right now of my hair. We're gonna do 20 volume and it is already evening. I believe it's like 5 o'clock p.m. You have so much patience.
Me, I have all the patience in the world.
I feel like I look like a poodle.
You only need to die.
These look like my ear.
But it won't do you any good, 'cause pretty soon your roots will be shown.
In the background.
And anytime you try to leave,
Funny.
they'll ask you, just where the hell do you think you're going? 'Cause anyone who ever had a brain wouldn't stand out in the rain, keep it up for very long, just to prove somebody wrong. Anyone who ever had a home.
I'm lighter than you right now.
It took me quite long to figure it out.
I know, but I was just like, for measure, I'm lighter than her now.
Just to make it
Toner up. Now we just have to wait 30 minutes and it is now 8:28 p.m. So yeah, it's late now. I'm getting tired, my back hurts, and I just got my period. Well, we just finished putting on the toner. We washed it off, we dried it, and now we are finally going to try out the pink. Yeah, I'm so nervous right now.
I was just saying that you look like Mila Jovovich from The Fifth Element.
It's so insane. It's so big, but I feel like the toner helped out a lot.
Yes,
I'm not gonna lie,
definitely.
it did, because it
Definitely.
canceled out the brassiness
Yeah.
and the yellow. Like now I just look like strawberry blonde,
Yeah.
which is really bizarre.
Yeah, sisters. You're pretty.
It's really bright too. The scoop.
I was just thinking, but okay, I'm gonna say it out loud. Imagine if this works out.
What do you mean? You're scaring me now.
And it's only there. It's coming from, you know.
Crazy. I swear to God, it's classic.
No, it sounds classic. I just don't know. It's by the Runaways.
Yeah, but
Oh my god, I love this guitar already. You know, at Aritzia, they played a lot of songs with like moaning noises,
yeah.
and it was so awkward. Have you ever watched the show, That 70s Show?
That 70s show.
Yeah.
You know, like bits and pieces, and I really want to watch it.
Oh, it's so good. It's
No, because it's
so
like,
good.
It's like I always see the clips. I watch the clips and I laugh my gosh out.
Yay, we finally got it on. I look like a pea. Like a pink pea. Like a cherry. Like a cherry.
It's so pink.
It's time for the big reveal. It's the next day now, and I actually had to stay over Natasha's because it got pretty late last night, and we wanted to wait until we actually got daylight to show you guys my hair, and I'm so excited for the way it came out. I'm actually like surprised that we got to finish it all in one day, and Natasha was so helpful for everything. Like honestly, you guys should definitely check her out on Instagram. Her photos are beautiful, and she's so talented at everything she does. Like seriously, just look at this. It came out to like the perfect rose gold color that I honestly wasn't expecting. If you guys like have questions, please comment them down below so that I can get back to you guys. And if you happen to be new here, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for whenever I upload my thrift hauls, lookbooks, and just like lifestyle videos in general, because sometimes I get random ideas like these and I put them out there. Thank you all so much for watching and enjoying this video with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!